Hi kids! Welcome to Teacher Beth Class TV. Welcome to the second part of our video lesson on animal adaptations. In the first part, we learned how animals adjust to live in different environments. Now, it's your turn to show what you have learned. Let's have some fun and test your knowledge through exciting activities and questions. Are you ready? Let's begin. Before we move on, let's have a quick review of what we learned about animal adaptations. And these are the animal adaptations: physical adaptations, physiological adaptations, and behavioral adaptations. Read and understand each question. Choose the correct answer. You may also write your answer on your notebook. The ability of animals to change and survive in their environment. A. A sudden change in weather. B. A feature that helps an animal survive. C. A type of shelter. D. A kind of food. The answer is B. A feature that helps an animal survive. What type of adaptation is seen in the camel's hump that stores fat? A. Physical or structural. B. Behavioral. C. Physiological. And D. Seasonal. And the answer is physical or structural, letter A. Birds have blank so they can fly easily. A. Shallow bones. B. Smooth bones. C. Hard bones. D. Hollow bones. And the answer is birds have hollow bones, letter D. The thick fur of a polar bear is an example of A. Hibernation. B. Body covering adaptation. C. Behavioral adaptation. D. Mimicry. And the answer is B. Body covering adaptation. Which of the following is an example of behavioral adaptation? A. A shark's streamlined bodies. B. A bird migrating to warmer places. C. A cow's special stomach. D. A bat's echolocation. The correct answer is a bird migrating to warmer places. B. Frogs can breathe through their skin. This is A. Physical adaptation. B. Behavioral adaptation. C. Physiological adaptation. D. Seasonal adaptation. And it's letter A. Physical adaptation. Snakes can sense heat from other animals at night. This helps them A. Sleep safely. B. Hunt in the dark. C. Make shelter. Or D. Store energy. The answer is hunt in the dark, B. Which animal uses echolocation to find its prey? A. Elephant. B. Bat. C. Tiger. D. Horse. It's letter B. Bat. Which of these has smooth, moist skin? A. Lizard. B. Frog. C. Snake. Or D. Turtle. It's letter B. Frog. A school of fish is an example of A. Mimicry. B. Migration. C. Group behavior. D. Hibernation. It's letter C. Group behavior. The parrot's beak is adapted for A. Catching fish. B. Tearing meat. C. Sucking nectar. D. Cracking nuts and fruits. The answer is cracking nuts and fruits, D. Which animal below hibernates during winter? A. Owl. B. Frog. C. Camel. D. Elephant. It's letter B. Frog. Read the statements and identify the correct term. For numbers 1 to 5, let's check your answers. 1. The ability of animals to change and survive in their environment. Adaptation. 2. The hard body part of turtles that protects them from danger. Shell. 3. The body covering of snakes that prevents them from drying out. Scales. 4. The thick layer of fat in polar bears and seals that keeps them warm. Blubber. Number 5. The movement of animals from one place to another depending on the season. Migration. And for numbers 6 to 10, let's check your answers. 6. The deep sleep that some animals go through during winter. Hibernation. 7. The ability of chameleons to change color to hide from predators. Camouflage. 8. The beak of a parrot is strong and thick to help it crack nuts and fruits. Beak. 9. The feet of ducks help them to paddle in water. Web. 10. The adaptation where animals look like other animals or objects to fool predators. Mimicry. For numbers 11 to 15, let's check your answers. 11. Animals like cows and carabaos have flat teeth for grinding grass. 12. Snakes produce venom to protect themselves or catch prey. 13. A group of fish that swim together is called a school. 14. Animals like lions and tigers have sharp teeth for tearing meat. 15. The natural ability of animals to act without being taught is called instinct. And for the last numbers, 16 to 20. Let's check your answers. 16. This animal's adaptation refers to its body parts and covering. Physical or structural adaptation. 17. These are animals' hard coverings on their feet. Hooves. 18. This is a defense tactic that hides an animal's location and movement. Camouflage. 19. This is when one animal or object looks very similar to another but not closely related. Mimicry. 20. This adaptation refers to the body processes that help organisms survive or reproduce. Physiological adaptation. Identify the type of adaptation shown by the animal. Choose your answer from physical or structural, behavioral, or physiological. You may also write your answer on your notebook. For numbers 1 to 7, let's check your answers. 1. A polar bear has thick fur and a layer of fat to keep warm in cold places. Physical or structural. 2. Birds fly to other countries during winter to find food. Behavioral. 3. A chameleon changes its color to blend with its surroundings. Physical or structural. 4. A frog hibernates during winter to survive the cold. Behavioral. 5. A skunk sprays a foul smell to protect itself from enemies. Physiological. 6. A camel has long eyelashes and nostrils that close to protect from sun. Physical or structural. 7. A snake produces venom to kill its prey. Physiological. And for numbers 8 to 14. Let's check your answers. 8. Bats sleep during the day and hunt at night. Behavioral. 9. Fish have gills that help them breathe underwater. Physical or structural. 10. A bird builds a nest to keep its eggs safe. Behavioral. 11. A turtle has a hard shell that protects it from predators. Physical or structural. 12. A lizard drops its tail to escape from danger. Physical or structural. 13. Bees dance to tell other bees where food is found. Behavioral. 14. A cheetah has long, strong legs for running fast. Physical or structural. And for the last numbers, 15 to 20. And these are the correct answers. 15. An Arctic fox changes its fur color from brown in summer to white in winter. Physical or structural. 16. A porcupine raises its quills when threatened. Physical or structural. 17. A bat uses echolocation to find prey in the dark. Physiological. 18. An elephant's strong scent receptors to detect water and food from afar. Physiological. 19. Pride of lions live and hunt. Behavioral. And for the last number, a millipede curls its body into a tight ball to protect its head and legs. Physiological.
Thank you for joining me. Let's learn, play, and grow together. Teacher Beth Class TV. Subscribe, like, and share. Thank you.